Do you know you can create professional YouTube thumbnails with ChatGPT absolutely free? In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process I use, and you can follow along on your phone. Welcome back to another episode of Unfiltered. Today, we are diving real deep. So grab your cup of coffee and let's get into it. First, open the ChatGPT app on your phone. If you haven't installed it yet, download it first, then come back and follow these steps. Now type the title of your YouTube video. A clear title helps ChatGPT understand exactly the kind of thumbnail you want. Next, tell ChatGPT exactly how you want the thumbnail to look. Mention the colors, style, background, and the words you want people to notice first. Once your prompt is ready, tap Send and let ChatGPT do the work. In just a few moments, your professional thumbnail will be generated. If you're not happy with the first result, don't stop there. Simply ask ChatGPT to make changes until the thumbnail looks exactly the way you want. You can also upload your own picture to ChatGPT. This makes your thumbnail look more personal and increases the chances of people clicking your video. Now tell ChatGPT to use your picture in the thumbnail. Also describe the style and colors you want so the final result matches your brand. When ChatGPT finishes generating the thumbnail, check everything carefully. Make sure the text is easy to read and your face is clear. Once you're satisfied with the design, save the thumbnail to your phone. It's now ready to upload to YouTube with your video. To get the best results, always use short and bold words in your thumbnail. Too much text makes people ignore your video, especially on mobile phones. Bright colors and good contrast make your thumbnail stand out. Tell ChatGPT to use colors that are easy to notice while scrolling. Adding your face to the thumbnail helps people recognize your brand. If you're building a personal channel, this is a very good habit. You can ask ChatGPT to create different thumbnail versions. This gives you more options to choose the one that looks best. If you don't like any design, simply tell ChatGPT what to change. You can change the background, colors, text, or even your facial expression. Before downloading, zoom in and inspect every part of the thumbnail. Make sure the words are clear and nothing important is cut off. Check the text, check the face, check the edges. Download the final thumbnail and save it to your phone. You can now use it for your YouTube video without paying any designer.